462 minimum moves to equal array elements 2. So for this example, we are giving an array nums of size n, and we need to return the minimum number of moves required to make all array elements equal. So in one move, you can increase or decrease an element of the array by 1. So the test cases are designed so that the answer will fit into a 32-bit integer. So what does that mean? We are giving an array of nums, so for example 1, 2, 3, and how many moves we need at least to make all the numbers inside of the nums array equal. So we have 1, 2, 3, so definitely our idea is for 1 plus 1, so it's going to become 2. And we can also decrease a 1, so for 3 we decrease a 1, it becomes a 2. So how many moves? It's going to be 2. So in this example, it's going to be 16. Okay. So which kind of method we can use to solve the problem? Yeah, so definitely for an array, it's going to be, for some numbers, it's going to be like this kind of curves. Yeah, maybe the number going to be something in between, I mean in the middle. Definitely it is not the smallest number or not the biggest number. It must be some numbers in between. Yeah, so we might think about what if we just sort the array. So for example 1, 2, 3, it is sorted by itself. Yeah, if it is sorted by itself, what if we just choose the mid number of the array? It is 2. Yeah, and we're gonna fix this mid number, and for all other elements we're gonna reach this number. For 1, how can we reach it to 2? It's gonna plus 1. For 3, how can we reach it to 2? It's gonna minus 1. So how many moves? It's gonna be 2. And similarly, we're gonna use the second example. So we have 1, 2, because the array is sorted, 9 and 10. So which one is the main number? It can be 2 or 9. So let's sort of fix it to 2. Yeah. So if we fix it to 2, how can we reach to 2? So 1 need 2 plus 1, it is 1 move. For 9, we need 2 plus 7, it's going to be 7 moves. For 10, it's going to be 8 moves. So in total, it's going to be 16 moves. So that's going to be the final answer. Yeah. But if the length of the array is even, so what about 9? If we fix this 9, what's going to happen? So 10 to 9, it is 1 move. 2 to 9, it is 7 move. And 1 to 9, it is 8 move. So in total, it is 16 moves. As you can see, no matter if we choose 2 or 9, it is the same result. Now, we just need to prove a little bit why it always works. Because this is the medium theory in mathematics. Yeah, so in mathematics, if we have a sorted array, so for example, this array is sorted, and we want to make all the elements equal. So definitely we need to fix a number, and this number is the medium number. So this is the medium theorem in mathematics. So the medium theorem is really important for us to solve such kind of Leetcode problems if we want to make all the elements equal. So we're gonna sort it and find the mid number, and for all other numbers we just need to reach to the mid number. As you can see, this is gonna be an easy problem. Yeah, but we need to prove it. So for example, we have some numbers a less than b, less than c, and less than d. Yeah. Now, what is the mid number? So the mid number can be b or c. If we fix b or c, how can we reach it? Yeah. So if we were to reach b, what's going to be the final result? So it's going to be b minus a plus c minus b plus d minus b, right? So what's going to be the final answer? It's going to be c plus d. Yeah, because c plus d, this is minus b, and this is minus b, and this is a b. It means it's going to plus b. Yeah, so it's going to be a plus b minus a. So this is going to be the final result. So what if we just need to let's say we just want to reach a. So what happens? Let me just copy and paste. So if we want to reach not a, let's just reach c. Yeah, so it means it is the medium number. So if we were to reach this number c, what's going to happen? So it's going to be it's going to be d minus c. Let me put it up like this. It's going to be d minus c plus c minus b plus c minus a. So what's going to be the final result? So this is a D, and this is a C, because we have 2C minus a C, we still have C. So it's gonna be C plus D plus yeah, let me just think about it. This is D minus C plus C minus B plus C minus A. Yeah, so this is a D, and this is a C minus B minus A. Yeah, normally I think it should be the same result, but currently it isn't. Let me just think about it a little bit. If we were to write B, this is B minus A, C minus B, and D minus B. Yeah. So now if we were to write C, it is this C minus B, C minus A, plus D minus C. Yeah, I think I did something wrong for the first formula. Normally it should be the same. So here, let's see. So this is a B. This is a minus B, and this is minus B. This means from here, it's going to be a minus B. There's only one A, it's going to be minus A. And there's only one C, it's going to be C. And there's only one D, it's going to be D. Yeah, so now, as we can see from the formula 1 and formula 2, it is the C plus D minus B minus A. This is also C plus D minus B minus A. So this means no matter which number we choose, if it is a medium number, in mathematics, if it is a medium number, the final result is going to be the same, just as the second example. Yeah. Now, if we were to reach some other numbers, so for example, if we were to reach A, what is going to happen for us? So it's going to be D minus A plus C minus A plus B minus A, if we were to reach this number A, because A is the smallest number. So what is going to happen for the final result? It's going to be C minus D. So this is C, this is D, plus B minus 3A. Yeah. So now we just need to compare which result is smaller. So definitely this result should be smaller, but how can we prove that? So this is minus B minus A. So let's put it here. So this is minus B and minus A. Yeah. And the other one is we just remove C and D because they are the same. It's going to be B minus 3A. Yeah. So we just remove this minus A. If we remove this minus A, this is going to be a minus B, and here going to be B minus 2A. Yeah. Now we just need to plus a B. If we plus a B, this side is going to be 0, and this side is going to be 2D minus 2A. It's going to be 2 times B minus A. Now we can compare which one is bigger. So this is 0, and the second one is B minus A. Because B is always bigger than A, this means B minus A is going to be more than 0. So 2 times some number more than 0, so it's going to be some number more than 0. Definitely it is more than this one. So this means this result is always more than the above two results. So this means this is not a good result. So this is just the greedy idea to prove that is not possible. It has to be the medium number, because for the medium number, it's going to be the minimum number of moves we need. Yeah. Otherwise, it is not. So, as we already proved that, so we can directly solve the problem. Yeah. Actually, the coding is going to be much easier if we understand how to solve it in mathematical way. So we're going to find a mid number, or we're going to call it a medium number. Medium. Yeah. So the medium number going to be a nums array n divided by 2. So we need to sort the nums. So nums dot sort. We need to sort it before we find the medium number. Yeah. So we're gonna sort it, and then we find the medium number, and then we just need to return the final result. So the sum of the absolute value of any number n minus the medium number for this number inside of the nums. So this is going to be the final answer. As you can see, the coding is going to be much easier as you expected. And let me just submit it to prove that it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity is n log n, because here we just use a sorting to solve the problem. And n is 10 to the power 5. I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.